Good morning, you guys. It is a beautiful day here in the mountains. We are going in search of some waterfalls after a fresh rainfall, and you know what that means. This is about to be gorgeous. Let's go find these falls.
Well, it's always fun to watch Elise navigate these river crossings, but today it's particularly interesting because the river is high and roaring.
You made it look really unstable. Like, is this supposed to help me?
I don't know if it's supposed to help.
I feel like this log is about to roll right over.
Yeah, the log's a little unstable.
Oh no! That did not look safe. I like your little prance at the end. What if I fall in?
You might fall in, but it'll be okay. It'll be refreshing. You got it.
Oh my gosh.
You got it.
No. Did I just make it way more complicated?
You made it a little too complicated, but you're doing good. That river is roaring.
Are you just hoping and praying that I'm gonna fall in?
No, I'm not hoping. It would be funny.
I'm hoping and praying some more. It looks like, dang it. That was my last hope right there. Uh-oh. I think I chose the wrong log. No! No! Wait, it's seriously stuck.
If you can't get it, I'll come get it. Just leave it, I'll go get it.
No!
Come on. If you want a microcosm of our relationship, this is it.
Will you go get my pole?
Here I go.
Oh. Let's see how easy it is for Adam to get out. Oh, why was it so easy for you?
There's a single word to describe that, Elise.
What?
Competence.
Oh my goodness. I am competent in many ways. Pole managing might not be my strong suit. No. The river is flowing so fast.
It's really moving fast. It moves your pole.
That's what I'm saying. It like puts you off balance.
Yeah. All right, Elise, good balance. It's roaring under there.
I don't have balance.
You got it, you got it.
It's not a thing that I have.
It's not too far, you got this, you got this. Nice and slow. Oh! Yes! Well done.
I'm literally a baby deer, we all know this.
I can't even tell you guys how excited I am for this waterfall.
Yes!
California rains can be a bummer sometimes in that they close a lot of roads and mountain passes, but it really makes the waterfalls go.
Are we gonna go in?
Oh, we're definitely going in.
You think so?
Yeah, judging by that river, this waterfall is gonna be going.
Oh man.
It's not always going.
I know.
But right now, I really think it will be.
Woo! All right, fun facts time. Do any of you ever get a song stuck in your head, especially while you're hiking? Right now, I have the Circle of Life of all songs stuck in my head, and I'm literally taking each step singing this. It's the circle of life. I'm not kidding. I hope that some of you will now be singing this all day.
Now it's in my head. Thanks for that. You didn't sing it, it wasn't gonna be there.
It's not the worst song to be stepping in rhythm to, but after a while it does get old.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, in case you were wondering if the waterfall is roaring, can you guys see this right now?
Oh my God. Look at it.
It's so gorgeous.
Wow. It's gonna be crazy down there.
Oh my goodness, it looks a little bit daunting.
Let's go. Yes.
Oh, I can already feel the mist.
Yes. Let's go.
So cool. Whoa.
Wow.
This is legitimately so incredible.
This is why we start hiking in the moonlight.
Yes.
To have a thing like this all to ourselves is unbelievable.
It is cold. Woo.
It's gonna be colder in a minute. We get a cold one?
I think so.
Let's do this. Elise, are we doing this?
I don't know, I'm so scared.
Woo! Let's go! Yes! Go, Elise, do it!
What am I doing?
Go in there! Woo! Oh, it's so cold!
Oh my God.
Woo! Unbelievable! Woo! Good job! Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Woo!
I can barely breathe. So cold. Man, that is an adrenaline rush for sure.
Woo!
There he goes. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? Oh my gosh! Oh my God, you're crazy! Are you crazy?
Oh man!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I'll wake up in the morning, boy!
Wow!
Oh,
Oh my God!
that is fierce!
Wow!
Pounding down.
You just put your whole head under there.
I know it is. It is hard. It comes down hard.
Yeah.
Need a helmet. Now we go in together.
Oh my gosh! I don't know if I can do the full head under like you.
There is no one here to pull us out, so we gotta have fun.
Oh my God! Don't say that. Woo! Oh, presto! Oh, it's so.
Oh, we're kind of falling in. A cold plunge and a half, you guys. Woo!
Oh my God. I never thought I would find a person in the world crazier than me, but here he is.
Oh, that is really fun.
Man, this waterfall is so incredible. I don't think it's ever like this.
I don't think it is either. This is unbelievable.
Oh my God.
Oh, I hope it's coming out on the camera, you guys.
No.
I know the camera's probably
Yeah.
but it is just amazing.
Woo! Woo! Wanna go explore up above?
Oh yeah, let's go up above and see if we can walk up the
let's
hill.
go.
I just tried licking the camera. I hope that made it clearer so you guys can really see this waterfall. I don't know.
You guys have no idea how cold that waterfall was. We've been practicing our cold plunges, but like, oh my gosh.
I'm sort of enjoying the feeling. Elise, not so much.
I don't know if I'll ever be warm again. Slippery, huh?
Yeah, it is. We're coming down towards the top of the waterfall.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, right?
Look at that.
Yes!
Oh, that's awesome.
Look how gentle the top of it looks compared to the roar at the bottom.
Right?
Wow, that's really cool.
That is so beautiful.
You stop shivering for 1 second.
Is no one concerned that I'm still shivering? Why are you concerned? Oh my gosh. Adam just going right to the edge. Are you crazy?
About as close as you can get without going right over the edge.
I hope you guys can see how awesome it is. I can actually just lean over and look right over. I'm gonna show you guys right here. As I look over the waterfall, Elise is attempting to overcome her hypothermia.
I was shivering uncontrollably. It seemed dangerous.
This is an incredible snack spot.
Wow.
Looking over the falls.
The sun just came out. Can life be much better than this?
It's about as good as life gets.
Oh. Whoa.
You like that, Elise?
I don't know. Doesn't it make you contemplate your death?
A little bit. It's even a little scarier up here. Well, as good as the view of the falls was from down there right next to him, I just climbed up about 15 feet and it might be even better from up here. Let me see if I can show it to you. I think I've got a pretty darn unique snack spot dangle for you here. It's a pretty good snack spot. Well, that is about as cool of a waterfall adventure as you could ever ask for.
It really does not get better than this.
I really hope it came out on camera because in person this is spectacular.
Man. Love you guys. Let us know what you thought.
Let us know what you think and happy spring.